Tired of same old ringtone on your iPhone? Changing it is quick and easy. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change ringtones on your iPhone. So let's dive in and give your iPhone a fresh new sound. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Sound and Haptic settings. Tap on the ringtone option. Here, choose the ringtone that you like and tap on it. Your iPhone will now use this new ringtone for incoming calls. And this is how you can change ringtones on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.